Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I hope you're having a wonderful week and staying safe. I have been staying home. That's why you didn't see any of my hauls recently. But in the meantime, I wanted to share the CVS ad that is coming this Sunday, April 26th. In case you do need to head out, I'm not saying for you to head out, but just in case you need to, that way you have an idea exactly what the best deals are. I'm going to be also including a printable list, and that's going to take you to my website where you're going to be able to print it, make it easier, that way you spend less time in the store. So this is for April 26th to May 2nd. There I always find some freebies, so it all depends on the CRTs you may have. But in my deals, I like to include what that final price may be if you don't have the CRT, so that way you have an idea if it's worth getting it for you. So let's go ahead and get started. And I just started with this since I've been buying some stuff online. We haven't been going out. I've been using a new app. It's called Flux. I don't know if you guys have tried it yet, and I like it. I like how I'm able to save money. I'm getting more cash back versus other ones for buying online. Some of them are in store. You could do in store. I'm going to provide the link below in case you guys are interested with that app. So let's go ahead and start with those best deal mix and match. The best deal, there's going to be a few. There's one in the front cover of the ad, and this one is another one right here. It says spend 30 get 10. So I'm going to show you some deal ideas. This one is you're going to buy the Head and Shoulder, which is 2 for 12. Pantene is 3 for 12, and the Oral-B around $6.99. Hopefully this one is included, and that was the cheapest one I found. So right there we reached $30.99, and the coupons we're going to be using is the PNG that is coming this Sunday. So go ahead. The coupon this say is going to be $4 off 3 for Pantene. For Head and Shoulders is going to be 3, and for the Oral-B is going to be $1. Now, which CRT I have in mind? I just have this one that is 3 off 15 for any hair care type of products, and I also had a CRT for toothbrush deducting $1. So now your total comes out to $18.99. That's how much you will pay. Get back 10, making it $1.50 each. But if you don't have these two CRTs, then it will be $2.17 each, which is kind of high. So let me show you another deal idea. This one is getting the Pro V, which is 2 for 14, the Pantene Pro V, and the regular Pantene, which is 3 for 12, and Tampax. The price I've seen is about $5.99. Right there, you reach $31.99. Go ahead and use a coupon for the Pantene regular, deducting 4. For the Pro V, it's going to deduct 5, and for the Tampax, it's going to deduct 2. I have this CRT for Pantene, deducting 4, and you will pay $16.99, get back 10, making it $1.17, which is not bad, especially for the Pro V and the Tampax. If you don't have the CRT, then it will be $1.83. Here's another deal idea, and I'm not showing you guys the CRT for baby care, but if you guys have the Pantene and the baby CRT as well, then this will be as low as $2.25, which is crazy for these type of products. So here's a deal idea just with one CRT. Go ahead and buy 2 of the Pantene Pro V and the Pampers Easy Up. I know it did pass the $30, but that will be $34 total. You're going to be using the PNG for Pampers and the PNG for Pro V. That will be $5. And you're going to be using that CRT for Pantene, deducting $4. Pay $22, get back 10, and your total will be $12. But like I mentioned, if you have the CRT for Pantene and the CRT also for Pampers, then this will be as low as $2.25 each, which is such a great deal. So now let's go ahead and see this deal. As you see here, it says visit the Extra Care Coupon Center to get your mystery offer on Etsy or Maybelline, and the deal is buy 2 get 6, and I believe it's a limit of 3, I think it is. So here's the deal idea. You could just go ahead and buy a mascara and buy a blush. Right there you reach $12.98. Use the coupon for the Retail Me Not of April 4. Deducting 2 for face and 3 for mascara, and the mystery coupon that's printed, it takes $3, then you will pay $4.98, get back 6, and then these items will be free, and $1.02 money maker. So another great deal is the Skin Timid. They're going to be on special for $5.99. These are the disposable, and buy 3 get 5, and it's a limit of 1. So go ahead and buy 3 and your total will be $14.57. We're expecting coupons. These coupons are usually a limit of 2. That's why I just kept it safe. I have not seen the coupon already, so that's why I'm just putting 2, deducting 3, and that will be coming this Sunday if you're allowed to just use 2. But if you have this CRT deducting 4 of 2 skin tint disposables, then go ahead and stack that with those coupons. Pay $4.57, get back 5, making it free and 43 cents moneymaker. And if not, it will be a great deal if you're allowed to use 3. But even with this CRT, it will be such a freebie. If you don't have the 4 CRT, then it will be $1.19 each. So the next deal is Irish Spring Body Wash. This one I think is a really good deal. Buy 3, get 5, because we're going to be getting coupons. Hopefully we all get this coupon. Sometimes it's regional. And this is a limit of 3. If you have this CRT, then it will make it a little less than 60 cents each, which is a really good deal. And they're on special for $3.99, so buy 3 for that. Then you're going to be using 3 coupons, deducting 75 cents, and pair with this CRT. Pay $6.72, get back 5, making it 57 cents each. If you don't have the $3 CRT, then it will be $1.57 each. But check if you have any other body wash CRTs. What a great deal this is as well. And I feel like it's the best deal if you could mix and match. And in this case, you're going to buy 2 of the toothpaste. They're $3.49 each. And you could do this a limit of 2, but you do need to buy 2 to get 4. And buy 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. They're $3.99. And there's going to be a coupon in the app, and you're going to get 2 ECB for 1. And there's a limit of 2, so you could do this up to 2 times. So that's what we're going to be buying: 2 of the mouthwash, 2 of the toothpaste. Right there, you reach $14.96. You're going to be using 2 coupons for the toothpaste, deducting $1 each. For the mouthwash, there's one that's going to be provided in the app, but you remember it's usually just 1 coupon. The other one, you could just go ahead and print it on the Colgate website, deducting 75 cents for a mouthwash. And then you could pair it with this CRT. You may have the 3 off 12, you may have the 3 off 15. That way you just pay $8.21. But you're going to be getting back $4 for buying 2 toothpaste, and you're going to be getting $2 for each mouthwash you buy. So since you're buying 2, you're going to be getting back 4, making it 21 cents for everything, or just 5 cents each. If you don't have the $3 CRT, then it will be just 80 cents each. Now this is a deal on its own. As you see, herbal essence is 2 for $10. Buy 2, get 2, and we're going to be getting coupons on the P&G this Sunday. So once you buy 2, go ahead and use that P&G. But if you have the CRT, deducting 3 off 10 herbal essence bio, then you're going to go ahead and pay 4, but you're going to get back 2, making it just $1 each. So this is a great deal just on its own if you have the CRT. If you don't have it, then it will be $2.50 each. Tresemme, this will be a free deal. This is gonna be the Tresemme Pro Pure Shampoo. As you see, it's a different bottle, and it says new at CVS. I haven't seen it in my store, but I haven't gone to my store for a while, so I don't know if they are there yet. These are 2 for $15, and you will get a 5 ECB when you buy 2. The great thing is that there is a coupon that we received on this paper on April 19 of $5, and it was for the Pro Pure. If you have the CRT, deducting 3 off 15 for hair care, go ahead and use it. This Tresemme printed for everybody on April 19. So go ahead and stack all those great coupons and CRT, so that way you just pay 5 out of pocket, get back 5, and making it free. If you don't have the $3 CRT, then it will be $1.50, which is not bad at all for a new Tresemme Pro Pure hair care product. Now you could go ahead and mix and match this deal. You could go ahead and get the Tresemme Pro Pure and the L'Oreal. As you see, it's 2 for $8. So let's go ahead and buy 2 of each. That way the total is $23. Use that coupon from Tresemme, deducting 5. There's a coupon that we're getting for L'Oreal, deducting 3. And that hair care CRT that I mentioned, deducting 3 off 15. And then use that Tresemme coupon, that CRT that printed as well, deducting 2 off 2. You pay 10, but you're going to get back 5 for the Tresemme, and you're going to get back 3 for the L'Oreal, making it $2 or 50 cents each. And remember, you're so close to reach those $30 for the beauty ECB, which once you spend 30, you will get those 3 ECB free. So if you don't have that 3 CRT, then it will be $1.25 each. This is a great deal. This is a Crest Gum Care mouthwash or the 3D White Therapy toothpaste, and as you see, could be very pricey, but it's going to be on special for $6.99. If you spend 12, you get 4 ECB, and it's saying we're going to be getting coupons of $3. So go ahead and buy 2. Use that coupon from P&G, deducting $3 each. Use the CRT if you have it for toothpaste. That way you pay less out of pocket, you pay $4.98. You're going to get back 4 for spending 12, making it 49 cents each. If you don't have the CRT that says 3, then it will be $1.19 each. So here is everything. Ready printable coupons. If I see any, I'll provide them below. Remember, the shopping list is going to be below, and that cashback app that I mentioned, which is Flux. If you guys have tried it, let me know. If you're interested to try, you could go ahead and sign up using my referral link. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week and getting ready for the weekend. Well, I don't know what you're planning. I'm just doing some DIYs in the house. So guys, thank you again, and until the next video. Bye.